Section 1, Introduction. Dear one, welcome to my Dowsing with a Lecher Antenna Bioenergy Harmonic Remedies, Basic Level 1, Intermediate Level 2 and 3, and Advanced Level 4 course. And thank you so much for choosing my course. I am your instructor, Anne-Marie Delmotte. I was born in Belgium, where I got a science degree in clinical chemistry. Because I have always been sensitive to all kinds of energies, I looked for an instrument which can measure these energies in an objective and scientific manner. This is the case for the Lecher antenna, which I got over 10 years ago. I did many training courses since, and I'm now conducting my own full-time research with this small but very precious instrument. I mainly got very interested in working with the Lecher antenna for bioenergy after the antenna saved my mother's life. It is a small investment, but a big step towards your health and well-being in many ways. This course focuses on the bioenergy part and on learning how to screen for harmonic remedies to improve health and well-being. The harmonic remedies used can be either of the following or a combination of crystals, essential oils, homeopathy, specific colors, oligo-elements, plants, phytotherapy, minerals, Bach flowers, Schussler salts, chemotherapy, and floral complexes. It is not compulsory to be in possession of any of these harmonic remedies, as it is also taught in this course how you can screen for the appropriate remedy or remedies in a shop that sells elaborate sets. That, if the shop owner agrees, of course. If you would like to compose your own sets of harmonic remedies, make sure you have a sufficient number of harmonic remedies per type of remedy, at least 20 or 30. This course is a Lecher antenna course and does not teach you about the harmonic remedies as such. This would make the course way too long. There are many courses or books that do teach about the different remedies. Certain remedies, like the specific colors, do not require any prior knowledge to apply. Other remedies only require a basic knowledge of their indications and how to apply, while other types of remedies require elaborate studies. It is important not to use and select these remedies without studying them. Certain essential oils, for example, should not be taken but applied differently. Please do take your time to thoroughly study the remedies you wish to work with. If you do not wish to study these remedies, there is another way of balancing the bioenergies with the Lecher antenna, and by means of only color harmonies that does not require this prior knowledge. This way of working is taught in another e-learning course called Dowsing with the Lecher Antenna Bioenergy Level 1 and 2 by yours truly, myself, Anne-Marie Delmotte. This course is also available on Udemy. This course is meant for anyone interested in improving their health and well-being and that of their family and friends. This course is meant for anyone wanting to learn how to measure bioenergies. This course is meant for anyone wanting to learn how to balance bioenergies by means of harmonic remedies like crystals or essential oils or colors or Bach flowers and so on. Screening for harmonic remedies is a very quick way of balancing the energies. Screening of about 160 remedies is done in way less than 10 minutes, as can be seen in one of the videos in this course. This course is also meant for anyone wanting to learn how to make objects worn on their body compatible or more compatible. After this course, you will know why it is important for the bioenergies to be balanced. After this course, you will know what a Lecher antenna is and how it works. After this course, you will know how to handle and use the Lecher antenna correctly. After this course, you will know what a Bove scale is and how to use it. After this course, you will know how to do a full reading of your or a person's bioenergies. After this course, you will know how to screen for harmonic remedies with a Lecher antenna and to measure how well they balance the bioenergies. After this course, you will know how to perform distance work. After this course, you will know how to check whether objects worn on the body are interfering with your or a person's bioenergies and how to make the objects compatible. You will be amazed at how accurate this method allows you to select the appropriate and most useful remedy or remedies. You will be convinced that when screening for the remedies, there are laws of nature at hand here that we, at this point in time, do not fully comprehend. It allows you to step through a doorway to a wonderful and very little explored world of yet unexplained physics. This concludes section 1, Introduction.